to identify unsolved problems or pain points of your clients that you can resolve to create an USP. This is what is an USP is. There are a lot of clients who have unresolved problems, a problem that is not solved by other lawyers, something that remains a pain point for a lot of people. They're struggling with it, but they're not getting any answer to it. Okay. Have you ever do you know any such pain points? Forget law. Around you, look around you. Do you ever see there are pain points, that there is a big pain point people are facing, and then somebody builds a company and solves it and gives you the solution, and suddenly they are running a big business? Does this happen? It happens all the time, right? Every bloody company, right, Aditya? Every company is doing this. The way they grow is that there is some, just think of it. Google did it. We are using Zoom. Zoom is suddenly a huge company. How? Because there's an unresolved problem. People want to do online interaction, high quality, and then they built a software to do it. Works better than everything else. Great. Same thing for everything you can think of, right? Uber, Swiggy, anything. Identify unsolved problems or pain points of your clients that you can resolve to create an USP. Now in law, are there unresolved problems or pain points of clients that you can resolve to create an USP? When I was building Click Lawyer, I identified one problem that, okay, and for problem and solution, you're giving a unique solution, which other lawyers are usually not giving. You're able to come up with a unique solution that is making life easier for the client. That is your USP. For example, imagine that it is lawyers are saying, okay, check bounce case, we have to go to court, it will take forever, it is going on and on and on, and you figure out that, okay, I can go under NCLT and approach in this way, I can cut down the time for recovery, and I can help. Now, if you can, that is an unsolved problem. Now, if everybody figure this out and they start, going to for money recovery problems, a very, very good USP solution is going to MSMED. Under MSMED Act, there is a authority for arbitration and stuff like that. So those things work really well. But this now slowly some lawyers are picking it up. But when at Click Lawyer, we are doing these kind of things even back then already. Okay, long back when nobody else was even trying it. And like bunch of other things, lot of creative things. And all lawyers, I can assure you, who are succeeding, they have some USP. They figure out some way. If they are succeeding very big, then they are figuring out some way to deliver value for their clients where other lawyers are not giving a solution. So you have to be in search for such opportunities where there is a problem which is unsolved, unresolved, and you can solve it. How can you solve it better than other lawyers? Can you give them a solution which is better than others? Okay, why creating an USP is important to differentiate yourself from other service providers, and why this will give you an edge. Okay, because I really cannot think of any way to build a successful practice if you don't have any USP. If you don't have USP, and USP can be many things. USP, sometimes the USP of a doctor is that he's kind to you. He talks to you nicely and you feel more confident. When that doctor gives you injection, you don't feel as much pain. That is USP for you to go there, right? So same thing for lawyers. A lawyer who makes your life easier might even be an USP. But different people have different needs. So what is your USP? If your USP is that you are charging the least amount of money, then it's a big problem, because somebody will come tomorrow and charge less than you, even lesser than you. So what can you do that others, people who are ready to pay more money and they are not looking only for the cheapest lawyer in the market, which is anyway not the case, then how can you survive? And what can you provide to them? How can you attract those clients? Why solving one problem reliably with a strong differentiated USP is better than doing many different things at once. Okay, sometimes you just have to solve one problem reliably with a strong differentiated USP, and you don't have to do everything in the world, because earning 2 lakhs, even if clients are, say there are 20 clients who pay you 10,000, it is enough to earn 2 lakhs. It's not so much money. Maybe you're charging 50,000 per client and you can just get that from 4 clients. Okay, you can have 4 retainers with 4 companies doing this, and there are n number ways to reach this number. You just have to find one problem that you can reliably solve, and enough people have this problem, big enough market, right? And then you can go and solve it and create that for yourself.